it's Judita. I am so happy to be back and to record another video for you. I was being very busy with my work, my business, access consciousness, clients, which is awesome. But I am grateful to record another tool for you. It is for busyness. What to do when we have many things going on in the same time. Sometimes we are so busy, like in a day we have scheduled the time slots. Oh, I'm gonna do this, and then 1 minute later this. And if everything works out perfectly, then it can be fine, but would it? And many people would go into thinking, no, this can't work out, it will be complicated. It gives them anxiety just to think about what if it doesn't work out that way, then what they gonna do? And I want you to know that by thinking about the complications, you are kind of creating them, because you are preparing your mind for what to do, and you are already like picturing it, you are already living it. And that's how we create. We create with thinking about stuff that will happen. It might sound weird to you, but it is true. When we get more aware of our thoughts, we recognize that yes, I have created this. So for now, I just want you to recognize when you are busy and you start going into the craziness of, oh no, what if it doesn't work out? What if this will be like a disaster? No, stop there. Don't go there. Just pause and ask the question. What if it would work out easier than I thought? What if this could be much easier than I thought? And get the sense of the energy when things just work out with ease and you are efficient and you do things like tack, 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 tack. Ask for that. Picture that coming into your day. So what if everything would work out with ease and joy and fun for you? Is that possible? And if you get your mind just to think, oh, it might be possible, and ask the question, well, what would it take? Would it require me to wake up at 6 in the morning and to get dressed and just be in this energy of I am an efficient fucker instead of I am busy and I can't do this, it's too many things to do? You know, you can have anything that you are willing to ask for. If you want to be the efficient fucker, you can be that. Or if you want to be the complaining and slow disaster, you can be that as well. No judgment, your choice. These are the tools from Access Consciousness, and I am looking forward to your questions. If you would like to find this video whenever you feel like you are stressed and you want to remember the question I have been asking, like it, share it on your page, or whatever it takes for you to find it when you need it, and have fun with your busy day. What if it would work out even greater than you thought was possible? Yeah!